All right. So let me explain what's been going on, right? Here, I'll show you. So these are I'll show you on another set actually. These are my summer tires. Well, they are summer tires. It's winter here in Utah, and I was running these because I was too cheap to buy winter tires, or all season at least. I mean, you can see the tread is still pretty good. Amazing, actually. These are supposed to be my track set, right? Because I took it to the track once. Yes, I did take it to the track once, and I bought these tires. I know. These are 17 by 8. They're 255s by 45, 17-inch rim or wheel. Yes, it barely fits here. It's a pretty small car to fit 255s on. Yes, pretty tight fit. I had to roll my fenders. You could probably kind of tell I did a pretty bad job. Yeah, I rolled my fenders just a little bit. Yeah, you can kind of tell right there. But yeah, my fenders are rolled to fit the 255s. It slid into a curb. This is what happened. You see, this is my lower control arm. It's bent pretty bad. In here. So I was able. So, bro, nothing in here looks right. I think my lower control arm is cooked. I think it'll buff out low key. Car was still drivable, but the whole wheel moved to the right, so you could barely turn. And if you did, it would have touched on that gap on the pretty much on the wheel well. This is my wheel that went up the curve. Yeah, that's not good. But here it is. You can tell it's been sitting, 'cause, man, I haven't washed it or nothing. I got the other wheel ready. I got the replacement wheel. I'm not keeping the OEM wheels. This is just like in case we gotta move the car. I'll probably drive it a little bit for the video today, but I'll give you a walk around of this car. All right. So this is a 9th gen Civic Si. It's a coupe. If you couldn't tell, it's a coupe. Lowered BC coils. Any mods that I've done, little to none. It's pretty much stock. The whole engine bay is stock. I just painted the valve cover, painted it red. That's about it. I haven't touched any. Then I got an exhaust on it. Give you guys a cold start real quick. Alright, so in the meantime that it's warming up, I haven't started in like a week, so but yeah. Let me close the hood real quick. Okay, a little bit tall. Oh yeah, remember this is a man, 11 years old. This car's 11 years old. So that plastic broke, but it's all good. But yeah, it's pretty dusty. We'll take it for a spin. I'm just waiting for it to warm up. Then I gotta make some room over here so I can park it straight up. So we can fit 2 cars in the garage. So my strut failed. This side, so the driver rear failed. So my shock absorber failed. So I replaced it. I put a new one already. I'm gonna test it out, see if it works as it should. If it stops making noise. I hope it does, cause I hate working with suspension. You can see how meaty these tires are. Wait, let me see if y'all can see it. Stay. Stay. Yeah, I mean, y'all can kind of see. These are some pretty meaty tires. It's like my whole hand. Hopefully I don't get a ticket. Another video when I get my old season tires. It's gonna be way smaller tire. So these are, like I said, 255s. I'm looking for either 225s or 235s. So it's flush like how it is right now, the ride height. Maybe I'll go just a tad bit lower.